Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 6, CS Galaxy 0. I'm joined by SJ.
Yes, Thibo khamba njani?
Angimnandi futhi mani.
Hayi umzimba umhlungu mwana.
Ukhala ngani mpa?
Hayi, yabona since ngajoin CS Galaxy uyazi story. Since ngajoin CS Galaxy.
Yes.
Yaqala kwenzeka lento ukuthi ngikhipha amadlavu nge 30 minutes.
Ndoda.
Khipha amadlavu nge 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Hayi TKO.
Ubona ukuthi iphelile ke.
Hayi TKO. Uvela bama bathi half time ngabona ukuthi hayi
Walahla itha.
Hayi thawula ngalahla.
Lahla itha.
But lengakusho wena Sithibo ukuthi akumelanga si give up.
Yes.
So even bafana noma bangadliwa 7 9 10 we need to support
yeah. Why?
So nabayidinga support silana nathi ngenxa yabo ngaba isibo ngaba sikho la
today man of the match we cover.
Mina njengomlandeli weTS Galaxy ngwana etape ira ngiyamnikeza
Yeah futhi
ngiyamnikeza usebenzile because yabona ibhola igame amaphutha so ubonile maseva wenzile first half ngabe sezi half time ngabuma 5 6 7 but usavile utape ira yeah
SJ mobheka iligi izothathwa baba
iligi ayikusasenzima Sithibo for ngakhuluma ukuthi iligi but iSundowns inamathuba ukuthi ngayithatha iligi the way badlala ngakhona bayimisela amajito so into engayisho ukuthi ne support iSundowns ama supporters manje aba support abafana ngale Pirates mangithi iSundowns ngayithatha iligi mangasho ukuthi iPirates ngaluza iligi indaba ama supporter the way ama supporter enza ngakhona kuma players wabo
ngiyakuthola
yabona ababanikeza leyo aba support angeke abadlali mabadlala mabenza ama mistake kuba khulume kabi umemeze yabona so na badlala into leyo iyabashanga phakathi so I think iPirates kuze ba chase iligi kahle kumele bakhona ukuyiphatha kahle bazoba right
ngiyabamba futhi umntana asibonga SJ